And once again highlighting that the answers to so many diseases of today actually lies in homeopathy. Thank you so very much. And now requesting Dr. Martin Brands from Netherlands, again a medical doctor, homeopathy teacher, researcher, and a founder and the first president of the Dutch section of Homeopaths Without Borders.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, Honored Minister, Member of Parliament, and Joint Secretaries, and my dear colleagues. I feel very honored to be here. I liked very much a remark yesterday of one of the participants asking me whether I and Dr. Arnd had talked before we made our presentations. Well, actually we did not, but we were like quantum particles on the same wavelength. And that's what I've felt since a long time, coming to India, working with staff members of the CCRH. And I will tell you why. I started my work as a medical student in Egypt, and I saw the different options which you have if you want to support and to cooperate with another country. There was one project by Philips, the same company which produces these microphones today. They offered a high-tech urological clinic for people with bilharzia infections, which is a noble effort in the combat in Egypt against bilharzia infection, which cause a lot of cancer too. At the same time, there were children dying from diarrhea and dehydration in villages 5 kilometers away. And that made me question, what is the best way to cooperate? What is the most sustainable way? And for me, that's always, in medicine, the way which gives as many people as possible access to healthcare. And later, when I worked with Doctors Without Borders and also with Homeopaths Without Borders, we always met the same issue. Primary healthcare is the most basic form where doctor and patient meet in the whole world. And there, our policy should be health for all. And I think the CCRH carrying out so many programs in India which have this goal, bringing homeopathy to the Indian population. Not only to those who can afford it, in luxury flats, in high-rise buildings, in the metropoles, but also to the people in the rural areas. And that is what unites us, and I think that's the wavelength we are all on. And that's indeed, as my dear colleague Isaac Golden said, that's the gift of Hahnemann, that he saw all these million people suffering around him, and that he thought we need something which is close to our patients and not just technology. And for that, I thank Hahnemann, and I think all of us, that we can be united in this effort to improve the state of our fellow humans. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your message, and again highlighting how the visionary Dr. Hahnemann, that time he developed homeopathy more as holistic healthcare and more towards extending affordable healthcare to all.